For this lesson, for the digestive system, you'll have an understanding of the purpose and the function and the interactions of the esophagus and the epiglottis in the digestive system. Review. Our teeth, as soon as the food goes in our mouth, our teeth and our tongue and our saliva start the digestive process. The teeth chew and churn, the tongue moves the food around, the saliva breaks the food down with the enzymes into smaller pieces, and the enzymes are part of chemical digestion, and teeth are part of mechanical digestion. We'll talk more about that later. Epiglottis is our new word for today. Here's the epiglottis flap right here. What it does, it covers the windpipe. This is the windpipe, so that the tongue can push the food down the throat, or push our pizza down the throat, down the correct tube. And here we see, this is the pharynx, the throat. All right, and here's the food coming down, and the epiglottis, this is the usual position. The epiglottis protecting the airway. See, it's closed right there during swallowing. And then the esophagus, it pushes it down to the esophagus, which leads to the stomach. Here's our epiglottis. Here's a good example of a piece of food coming down. The epiglottis flap is open so that it can pass down. And here it's contracting, and we learned that it contracts in the esophagus and in the stomach, and it also does in the small intestines. All right, here we go. Here we see our pizza. This is just a graphic organizer that's all pretty and stuff, and it shows you where we've been and where we're going. So it goes in our mouth. All right. And it starts to break down. Then it goes to our pharynx, into our esophagus, and then it's contracting all the way down. And then the sphincter is right here just before you get to the stomach. Then it goes into the stomach, and it's still being broken down into tiny pieces. I just put the pizza here. It definitely is not that size, but I just put the pizza here so you could see that this is where the pizza's going. And then it goes all the way down into the small intestines, and then into the large intestines, to the blood cells, and then whatever's left, it goes to the anus, which is poop, or the correct term is feces.